Imagine walking through a sun-drenched orchard. The scent of fresh cherries fills the air. That's the joy of growing Prunus Avium, the sweet cherry tree. If you love sweet, juicy cherries, this tree is perfect for you. But it's not just about the fruit. Let's explore why growing Prunus Avium is rewarding. First, Prunus Avium trees produce delicious cherries. They are known as sweet cherries. They have a vibrant red color and a succulent taste. These cherries are perfect for eating fresh or making desserts. They can elevate any dish with their flavor. This makes them a favorite among fruit lovers. Next, let's talk about health benefits. Sweet cherries are nutrient-rich. They are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Eating cherries can help improve heart health and reduce inflammation. By growing them at home, you're providing your family with healthy snacks. Now, consider the aesthetic appeal. Prunus Avium trees blossom beautifully in spring. Their white or pink flowers attract pollinators. This creates an inviting garden atmosphere. Imagine a landscape filled with vibrant colors and bountiful fruits. Additionally, growing your own sweet cherries can save you money. Store-bought cherries can be pricey. By cultivating your own, you can cut costs significantly. Plus, you know exactly how they're grown, no pesticides. Let's break down how to grow Prunus Avium. Start by choosing a sunny spot. These trees thrive in well-drained soil. Make sure you have enough space for them to grow. Prunus Avium can reach heights of 20 to 30 feet. Plant young trees in early spring. Next, water them regularly, especially during dry spells. This keeps the soil moist but not soggy. Fertilize the trees with a balanced fertilizer in early spring. This encourages healthy growth. Prunus Avium trees require cross-pollination. Plant at least 2 different varieties for optimal fruit. They typically bear fruit in late spring to early summer. Patience is key, as it may take a few years to mature. Imagine the delight of picking fresh cherries from your own tree. This hands-on process can be a family activity. It teaches kids about nature and where food comes from. In summary, Prunus Avium offers delicious fruit, health benefits, and beauty. Growing sweet cherries is rewarding for both the mind and taste buds. You're not just planting a tree, you're cultivating joy. Ready to start your own Prunus Avium orchard? Visit your local nursery today. Pick up a young tree and watch it grow. Experience the satisfaction of homegrown cherries.